Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Las Vegas and we are at New York in one of the refurbished rooms, and I have to say this place has surpassed both of our expectations. So this is a standard king room. As I said, it's one of the newly refurbished ones. Looks really neat, very clean, very spacious. We are on the 36th floor in the Empire State Tower. Room 3618, and it is a corner room, and we've got an absolutely fantastic view from here. I'll show you that in a minute, but first let me show you around the room. So coming in the front door, just to give you an idea, this is how small we are in this tower. So we're room 18 here. As we swing around, we've got some hooks there for your jackets, a nice full-length mirror. You can see this kind of not street art, sorry, but like graffiti and whatnot on the wall. Coming around, got a kind of like a mixture, like a vanity area with a mirror, but also it's where your hairdryer is, your ice bucket, some drawers. I imagine your fridge is in here. Yep. There you go. Look at that. MGM Properties giving you a fridge that you can use yourself. Fantastic. There you go. There's some storage down there. In-room dining, feel free to scan. Let me come around here. Scan that and see what you can order for your in-room dining. Okay, and just backing up from that mirror. You can see on the back wall here, there's this, this is wallpaper, just to mimic brick wall. Stating the obvious there, I'm not sure how else to describe that. It's a wallpaper brick wall. And then a comfy king bed. It's a very soft bed, so if you do like them softer, that's definitely going to be for you. And decent sized side table on both sides. One has a phone, and the other has just got the remote control poking up. But there are USB A and C charging points on the wall, and light switch which controls both sides. And I think on the other side you have the exact same, so they've really pulled out all the stops there with their charging points, particularly having USB A and C. I think that's very cool. And then some of the old sockets there from before the refurb, you can just see the yellow. There's also a couple of chairs and a table, and I'll be honest, earlier we just turned these around and we're just looking outside at that view, which I know it's not coming through right now, but I'll show you in a mo. Aircon up here. Actually, common sense has prevailed. Can you see this they put there? So when the aircon comes out, it blows into the room. It doesn't just come out and hit the pillar. Opposite the bed, we have got a set of drawers, your television, very deep drawers, plenty of storage. There you go, it's 4 of those, all the same size. A bench over there, and next to that is your open closet. They've provided hangers. Your safe is down there. Again, there's a couple of deep drawers, laundry, and a door part of your closet with some more hangers, your ironing and ironing board, and just down the bottom there, space for your shoes. Okay, I don't know if you can appreciate how wide this is as well. It's a very spacious room. The bathroom, I have to say, of the entire refurbishment, is the one I think they perhaps skimped on a little bit. But anyway, it's perfectly fine. It does what it needs to do. Single vanity, tissues down there, your trash bin, nice big mirror, plenty of lighting up there. There you go, towels, and the shower, and that's all I mean really. I don't think they've replaced the shower. I haven't stayed in New York for 10 years, I'm pretty sure that's the same shower that was there before. Space for pump empty, but they have provided this the standard MGM amenities for the bathroom. And at least it is a full shower bath tub combination. So if you prefer a bath, you can have that. Or a shower, big shower head. Tested the water pressure earlier, seemed absolutely fine, so no complaints there. But there is, as you can see, it's a curtain rather than a screen, so may stick on your bum when you're showering. All right, so let's show you this view. As said, we're on the 36th floor. We are in my opinion, one of the best hotel room views in Vegas. Where Tropicana crosses with the Strip, Las Vegas Boulevard. There we go. So we got you got the roller coaster down there. So that's how high we are. MGM Grand, which we are above. Harry Reid Airport right in front. And then just round to the side there, you can see we've got Excalibur, Mandalay Bay, and Luxor. Of course, Tropicana in front. Which would be, if you think of the view, once that gets demolished and turned into the ball stadium, it's going to be a pretty spectacular view as well. And because it's a corner room, of course we get this side as well. Not much more to add on to it, but you see a bit more of the Strip. And you can also kind of see behind a little bit. So if I come back round to this other window, there's so many windows. I mean, this room is so bright and the sun's on it. You can see Cosmo, Aria, and that little bit of green. You can just see, where are we? Sort of there. That's the roof of Park MGM. So we are higher than Park MGM there. And this is this is a bit more of New York, and you can see we're pretty much at the top. So I think this building goes up a few more floors higher than that pink one there. But there we go. Absolutely blown away by this room. I didn't expect it to be quite so nice. I think it's being a corner room with having that light and that view that perhaps has sold this to me more than the room itself, but the room has been done in a really, really nice way. On the floor, you can see there's a rug around the bed, but the rest of the floor is this wooden floor, which I think makes it look really nice. It's supposed to be that kind of New York loft apartment style that they're going for here, and I think they've done it really, really well. So well done, New York, New York. Yeah, and absolutely happily stay here again. So check-in was fine. It took no more than 10 minutes, I think 5-10 minutes from the whole process of starting to queue to getting the key. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give a thumbs up. Any questions below, comment if you've stayed here, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button. But until next time, we will see you then.